right, everybody, Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, and we're here at the closing table at yet another closing, and we're purchasing Nick's property today. We're really excited about that. And if this is your first exposure to Sell House Columbus, we buy houses in and around the Columbus, Ohio area, and we mostly work with people who want to sell or need to sell but don't really want to go through the traditional process of marketing, listing, and selling with a realtor. We are cash buyers, and we're here with Nick. Nick, we're purchasing your property today.
Yes.
And what has your experience been like in working with Sell House Columbus?
It's been smooth. It's been easy. I was skeptical at first, but when I looked at everything, especially without the closing costs and the hassle of going through selling and realtors, I think it came out to be a good deal for you folks and for me and for the neighborhood.
That's definitely what we strive to do, is create a win-win scenario. And then we did pay all cash. Did you get what you were expecting today?
We did.
As far as a check at closing, I should say?
We got the check at closing, and the other thing, with the negotiation, there was no haggling, no hassling, no several phone calls, and this is what I expected, but it was nothing like I expected. I'm very pleased with the closing.
We're very pleased as well. And if you have a house you want to sell fast and easy for all cash, you can call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I'm Dave Payerchin, and we'll see you on the next video.